We're always talking about the power of play and how much we need more play and how little play is built into our day. And because we've got to get through these curriculum timelines. So I always hear like, Polly, how am I going to get play in my classroom more and actually get the timelines of the curriculum in and get everything crammed into the date I'm supposed to get into? Okay, so realistically, we know that there's too much we have to cram into our day, and developmentally, it's often unrealistic. But let's just look at it for what it is. How do we incorporate that play? Well, here's what I like to think about it as: the delivery. See, you can give me a curriculum and you can mandate, I got to teach this and this is the timeline I got to teach it in, but I still own the delivery as a teacher. So we should be going home exhausted, not because we're trying to get into everything and keep kids quiet and make sure they raise their hand and like, we got to get through this curriculum. We should be going home exhausted because we've been so excited about the delivery to get this in, and we've thought of all new ways to do it. So for example, if I'm outside with my 7th graders and we're like laying out on the ground looking at clouds for 10 minutes, and then I go in, it's because I wanted to kind of expand their imagination. I wanted them to invent things in their mind by what they saw visually in nature. See, that's the writing process. That's creativity. If I have little kids that are doing, some fun stuff on the floor, and maybe it's yoga, or maybe they're just making shapes with their bodies, and we take some pictures of that, and then we put the pictures up on the board, and the kids go, oh, look, we formed a triangle. Oh, math. So if we can just think outside a little bit, and how do I deliver the content in a less than kind of standard way, we may find that our kids are a lot more engaged. And if someone walks in my classroom and says, "Are you playing?" I say, "Absolutely not. Let me explain how this is a prerequisite for what we have to teach." It can really make a world of difference.